This posture is killing you. Hello, my name is Dr. Molstry from True Life Wellness. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your workstation properly. In a previous video, I walked you through the importance of posture as regarding your health. But I want to talk about your laptop because most of you are probably working on a laptop these days. And I'm going to show you, again, that the importance of this posture. If you're on a laptop, your head is going to be moving forward, and that puts a ton of strain on the muscles in your neck and mid-back, leading to things like headaches, shoulder tension, etc. So what I want to talk about is how to set up your workstation properly, and that is probably going to involve using a separate monitor and a separate keyboard if you're using a laptop or just having a desktop computer to begin with. So again, you have that posture. Everything should be at 90 degrees. My legs are at 90 degrees. I can just wedge my fingers underneath the bottom of my legs. My hands and arms are at 90 degrees and relaxed. I'm not way out here working on a keyboard. But the most important component is the monitor itself. And I've just got a simple box that I've lifted this up on. I want the bottom of that monitor to be level to my chin or as high as my lips, not down. We're not looking down at it. We are looking directly ahead. So when that computer is on, my posture is going to be neutral, and that will help prevent so many problems for you down the road in terms of your health as well as your desire just to live a longer, healthier life. Again, my name is Dr. Tyler from True Life Wellness. Thank you so much for paying attention today. Have a great one.